Everyone knows that time is money. But is there a trick for cutting as efficiently as possible? Let's find out.
I have an example of an unsorted job from a customer, and I can show you in the software how this will look. So we can use the function sort with simulation. And this is the unsorted cutting way. As you can see, there's a lot of jumping around, and the blue lines are the moving passes, so there's a lot of movement. If I would now sort it by the nearest object and optimize the origin, I can press the sort, and you can see that the path length is much shorter than before. And if I would run the simulation again, you can see there's a much more logical way of moving around, and this will shorten the production time on a big amount. So let's see on the machine how that will look.
Sounds great, Björn, thank you. And if you have any more questions, feel free to text us.